Bahamas tonight. The National Report. Thanks for tuning in. Now to news from Parliament. Senators met briefly today for the first reading of a bill for an act to amend the Stamp and Gaming Acts. A bill for an act to provide regulation of nonprofit organizations also received bipartisan support, passing in the Senate without amendments. Senate Government Leader, Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, Senator the Honorable Cobb Bethel, indicated that steps are underway to enhance the regulatory oversight of the commercial business sector. He put members of the public, financial, and corporate services providers and registered office on notice that during the first week in August, companies that have failed to pay the prescribed fees or file annual returns for more than a decade will be removed from the company's register.
The total number of companies who are in default for more than 20 years on the register and which will be affected by this exercise is 11,402 Bahamian companies. Upon removal from the register, any property owned by the company will vest in the treasurer, and after an additional or further period of 20 years, if the company is not restored, will be deemed to be bona vacantia, and all properties owned by such companies will vest in the treasurer in trust for the Bahamian people.
Well, the Attorney General noted that members, owners, creditors, or liquidators of any company struck off the register will have a period of 20 years to apply to be restored to the company's register. However, he said they must pay any outstanding fees, file annual returns, and they can enter into a financial agreement with the registrar to pay outstanding fees. The Attorney General also indicated that the regulatory action will impact businesses that have been in default for more than 10 years.
The registrar has also indicated her intention, after giving the requisite statutory notice to all registered offices, or in the absence of an existing office, public notice in the Gazette, of her intention to strike out all companies which have failed to pay annual fees or file annual returns for a period of 10 years or more. And I am advised that there are in excess of 20,000 additional companies that right now, as of this day, have not filed their annual returns and made their payments of the prescribed annual fee.